In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually make money from triangular arbitrage. Okay, so I know a lot of you are familiar with the term triangular arbitrage, while some are not. But for the purpose of the newbies, in a simple term, triangular arbitrage is a strategy used in digital currency trading, which involves the conversion of one currency into another through a series of three trades. That is, let me explain what that means. For instance, for that is, it allows traders to exploit price or explore price differences between different pairs. It could be fiat currency or digital currency like cryptocurrencies. Okay, but it has to take a series of three steps to get that involved, or to make out profit out of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm going to show you what you need to do, how to find this triangular arbitrage, their price difference, and some other things to look out for to make profit. So I'm not going to waste your time. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video, because I normally come and drop something that is working for me. If I have tried it, even if I have made at least a cent from it, I'm going to drop it here for you guys. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Normally everyone has their ways of making money from this triangular arbitrage. You can either go to, let me say, you can either go to coin market cap to spot it out. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually use coin market cap to spot out this triangular arbitrage. But for the sake of this video, and I don't want this video to get so long, so I'm going to use Binance for this tutorial. Okay, so for me, I don't know, you can actually choose to go for any of these, either any of these HOTs you are seeing here, either gainers or losers here, to take out the coin you actually want to use for the triangular arbitrage. But in my own case, what I normally do is I will come to these gainers. I'm showing you what I normally do, but I don't know for you. So if I come to this gainer, and I will not come and check coins that start with it in 0.0 I will not go for the one that has already gained a round figure like 450 something. No, I will go with this low price, this one that their price is not that big. Okay, so for instance, let me just click on more. So you can see more a lot of gainer coins here, coins that are doing well actually in the market. So let me look for one. Which one are we going for? Let me go for this RSR. Once you click on the RSR, you come to more here, you click on more and click on compare market. Let's see if there is opportunity. You can see RSR slash USDT. This USDT is a quote currency, so we are going to go with the USDT and USDC, or either FDUSD. So I'm actually looking for opportunity here. So there's no opportunity. Let's go and look for another one. Let's look for another one. Let me go with this bell. BTC 57. There's still no opportunity. I think there is an opportunity here. Let's just try this out to see how much you are going to make. Okay, you can see Rose BTC, it sold at the price of 0.0649, while Rose slash USDT is at the price of 0.0653. So let's go. First of all, we need to buy. Click on BTC. Let's click on BTC. So once I'm on BTC, what I need to do is to convert my BTC, convert 100 USD into BTC so that I will use BTC and buy it. Okay, so what I need to, let me say, let's do this arbitrage with $500. Sorry, 500 USDT. 500 USDT is going to give us 0.00477 BTC. So we copy this, we copy this. Stick to this video because there are things I'm going to mention after this. I just want to do this very quick so that the opportunity will not go. Okay, make sure it's on limit order. Okay, so that incur losses. Okay, so after we receive our 0.00477 BTC, we move to rows. Click on here, rows, BTC. Let's go and click on market compare to see if the opportunity is still there. You can see the opportunity is still there. So what we need to do is click on rows BTC, click on buy. Once you click on buy, make sure that there is enough liquidity in the market, because when there's liquidity, you'll be able to execute your order faster. Okay, so what we need to do is to paste the amount of BTC we have. Our 0.00477 BTC, which was equivalent to 500 USDT, is going to give us 7,693 rows. So let's copy it. Let's move to rows USD, rows slash USD. Make sure that everything is on limit order. Okay, make sure that everything is on limit order. I repeat. Then you paste the amount here. You see, we are going to make a profit of $3. Sorry, we started this with $500 and we have made a profit of $3, $1. Okay, so this arbitrage can work for you anytime, anywhere. It's actually making sense if you have a high capital. Then listen to me, this is what I'm still going to sound to you guys. You can see I've been doing all these transactions, and this is the fee they charge me, 5.6 rows. Let's say 5.8 rows, which is, it's not even up to, it's not even up to $1. Let's say they charge us this amount like 3 times. On my calculator here, they charge us, let's say 0.37 times 3. This is they have charged us a fee of 1.11 cents. Okay, so if you minus the 1.11 cents from the profit we made, which was 3.1, you see that you will be left with $2.1. Okay, then this $2.1, you can do this arbitrage. You can do this arbitrage, like do it like 10 times, 20 times in a day. 20 times 2.1, you make $42. $42 times our naira, equivalent to naira is, let me say, 1,620, 68,000 naira in a day. So at least you will be making something. But another way I'm going to show you so that you will not incur all this, like they will not charge you this much, is once you want to do this kind of arbitrage, you come here to this place. Make sure that you have purchased at least $5 worth of BNB. Then once you have purchased, you come to this place, toggle this thing you are seeing, toggle this one on top here, you are seeing use BNB to pay fees. So if you toggle this on, make sure you have at least $5 worth of BNB so that you will enjoy 25 discount of your fee. Anytime they want to charge you per transaction, they rather charge it from the BNB, not from the amount you are using to do the arbitrage. So if you find this kind of arbitrage helpful, or if you find this video helpful, please do well to like and subscribe. I'm just in a haste to do this video, but in my next video I'm going to explain it in more details for you to understand.